But more, I prepared the morph transition. First, let's see the output of this work, then we will review the point that how can we make it. This work is just only made with morph transition, but actually there are some other tricks that now I create a new PowerPoint file and blank slide, and we will review all the notes of that. To make this work, you need two pictures that we add them from Insert tab to the slides. After the pictures were added to the presentation slides, by pressing the Shift key, we can change the size of the picture. And we reduce the size of the photos and put them where we want. And to make the wooden made behind the pictures, from the Insert tab and Shape section, we can use the shapes of PowerPoint and create a rectangle shape here. And we regulate the outline on No. Then we have a right click on the shape and select Format Shape option, and in the Fill section we select Picture or Texture Fill, and among the existing texture here we select a wooden texture. To have a wooden made that we wanted, then we right click on the shape and select Send to Back option to transfer wooden shape to the background. Then we select two pictures, and from the Format and the Picture Border section, we can give a border to the pictures. While the two pictures are selected, from the Format section, we select Align Bottom to make sure that two pictures are in the same direction. And then we select a picture and have a right click on it, select Format Picture option, and in 3D rotation section, in presets, we select a pattern to the picture, and we can consider this pattern to this picture too. In presets, both we can select the same pattern for it, or we can select the first picture and from Home tab, activate Format Painter and click on the second picture to transfer the effect of the first picture to the second. We select the pictures again and pull them to bottom in order to be on the wooden pattern. Then we have a right click on the slide and choose Duplicate the slide, and in this second slide we select a picture, and in order to have a picture straight, from 3D rotation we change the number of X, Y, and Z to 0. And our picture will be in this way, and by holding the Shift key, we pull the picture to the top. Pay attention that you can do these in 3D rotation and changing the amount of X, Y, and Z. And you can't click on Reset Picture from the Format section. To return your photo to its original state, if you choose Reset Picture, the effect of Morph Transition will not be added to that. You should change the amount of X, Y, and Z to 0 from in 3D rotation section. Now we do this again. In the following, we copy the second slide and change the mode of this by the ready-made patterns, and change the mode of the second picture to straight mode. We select the second picture and change the amount of X, Y, and Z to 0 from in 3D rotation section. By holding the Shift key, we pull the picture to the top. Then we right-click on third slide and click on Duplicate the slide, and now we can change the mode of the second picture to straight. We select the second picture and change the amount of X, Y, and Z to 0. By holding the Shift key, we pull the picture to the top. Now we select 4 slides and consider the morph transition for that. And if you want to show the slides without click from the timing section, remove the tick from on most click and click on after, then 1 second to each. At the end, from the File menu, by using Export and the Selection Create Video option, you can have a video of your work. And by using Save As and Browse, select a place for saving your file. And consider a name in File Name part, and from Save As Type section, choose the MP4 video. At the end, you can have video output from your work. In the slide 1, we try regulate the transition on 1 second. In After section, let's see the output of our work to see what we have made. This is the output which is made by morph transition. So you can use the morph transition effect to display your images. I hope you found information of the transition part useful and practical. We have studied all the options of transition tab, and we saw some samples of morph transition. And in next video, we will talk about animations tab. Thank you for being with me until this part of the course.